Welcome to Anyways Tech Review. We will now talking about how to use automations technology. As you all know, being chatbot is the advanced high-tech technology and useful always to use to certain purpose wise. Today I'm going to show something different. And Microsoft is trying to implement this even in Microsoft Office. And that videos and all the videos all the videos will be coming up very soon. Now we'll be talking about this new video called Compose Video. Compose button and then it will write about you. So you can choose what you want, what format you want, and what length you want. But now you want to say you want to make an email for your brother. Hi, I like, hi brother, how are you? And you are good. Simple as that. Just had to write a few for myself, 2000 information. So you can either write long, short, or you can write medium size. Let's see. See, you can auto generate. You can also copy this one, or you can just stop it, or you can wait to write and regenerate the whole stuff. So when you use tiny dots, you can see the first information, and that's it. Yeah, that worked. So you can write email, entire email with this technology. Okay, now you want to make a new things like you want to send a message to somebody. Okay, you can say let's your people. Hi sir, madam. I want to get this job. So even then you can write it, and even then write in everything. It will somehow figure out. Oh, I forgot to say that you must make sure that this is professional. Okay, it's professional. Okay. So even if you are not out or anything, you can use advanced technology and it just I don't know how to say it does everything. So thanks for watching the review. Please like, subscribe, comment, share. Have a nice day. If you have any suggestion, please like, subscribe, comment, share, and write in the comments. Even if you get idea what how to install this. Let's see what these have to say about this. So it does replace every stuff. You can also copy this. And you can actually copy, yeah. Let's copy this. This is another cool feature which Microsoft already have this feature. Google from another companies don't even have this feature. Having an AI generated development is kind of cool. You can do anything with it now. You can make a paragraph, blog with it. You can make a blog. Make your lazy make a blog and you want to make a blog, you can ask of entire Microsoft will do this blog. It can't take a long time, right? My CPU is blog is and the CPU, so you want not everything blog. Okay, now I finally did something. Every now not another stuff is that it's taking professional but somehow detected information on purpose. So you will focus for the following instruction. Possible blog posts. So obviously you can edit this blog whenever you wanted to. But yeah, this is just an example of how it works. And you can try this in ideas, floppy, paragraph. Okay. It's going very good as for one big white. Okay, then anyways, it's not big white. So, okay, anyways, so we can put it. We can generate it. Stored paragraph. It's kind of really hard to actually write every single stuff, but you can get an idea of how this compose system works. Okay, simple explanation. Give a long, short, medium, long, whatever you want explanation. Anyway, thanks for watching. Anyway, please like, subscribe, comment, and share. And any comments, write, please write comments. Also, if you want to want me to upload a specific video, write in the comments and all the community posts. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Anyway, please like, subscribe, comment, share. Have a nice day. Anyway, take we continue posting more videos in the near future. And of course, on Thursday, making one video, speak one video, and that's it for now. And see you later.